Things you have to sacrifice if you really want to be rich whilst you're still young, part 2. Again, this is coming from someone who's done multiple 7 figures in ecom revenue whilst I was still 17, so I have some numbers to actually back me up. Okay, so the second thing is school. 99% of us have somehow been brainwashed into actually thinking that what we learn in school is somehow relevant to our day-to-day lives. And most of us even try super hard to get good marks at school. But for what? What is the end result? What do you actually get out of it at the end of the day? Back when I was actually in school, all I was thinking about all day, every day was, how can I optimize my ads? Why did my ROAS dip? What influencers can I set up next? How do I scale my campaigns? That's all I was thinking about. And I'll tell you this, I didn't do a single piece of homework all the way from year 8 to like middle of year 11 when I left school. I didn't pay any attention in class, I couldn't care less what was going on. And guess what? I didn't even miss out on anything. None of what these stupid teachers were talking about every single day actually affected my life, and I think I'm doing pretty fine on my own. Now, why is that? Because I spent all my time wisely and actually spent it developing skills in a specific area. For me, it's e-commerce, but for you, it might be something different, something you're interested in or something you're already passionate about. And I worked so hard to become the very best in that specific area. And really, that concentrated effort on one specific skill is how you actually make it big in life. And not by getting 10, 15 good marks on all your different random GCSEs and 4 or 5 good marks on your A-levels. Now, obviously, I'm not saying to leave school because most of us can't physically do that until a certain age. However, what I am saying is be very time conscious with the time you are spending on certain tasks. Like, don't do unnecessary homework or extra stuff you don't need to do. Every possible minute that you can actually spend investing into yourself, learning a specific skill of your interest, then make sure you do that. And the only reason why I'm bringing up the A-level thing today is because what would have been my year group would have received their A-level results today. And a lot of them would have just now realized that they spent a good chunk of their lives studying for a test that they didn't even pass. And now they're left in a terrible position. But if they had actually spent their time more wisely, trying to learn some skills on the side and become a master at a specific field, instead of wasting all their time at school learning random useless subjects, then they would be in a much better position. So my final message is, think ahead, think for yourself, and you'll be surprised at how much you can actually achieve if you don't waste 90% of your time on useless things like school.